Morning, guys. So today, or this week, or the next couple weeks, we're going to be creating a jewelry box, or whatever type of box you want to put our pictures on there. It opens up, and we can put our stuff in there. So, like every other project, before we build something, we have to design it, just like engineers. So, we're going to start by opening a new standard IPT. Click OK, and then we will do our two-dimensional sketch like most projects, and you'll select your plane. Now I'm going to start by designing or drawing the bottom and basically using the shell tool to extrude up. So I'll use the rectangle button. I will drag it up to get it to about the right size. And then I will use my dimension tool to put the actual sizes. So I'll use your dimension tool, select the size, drag it up, and I'm going to type the measurement in here, 6. And then I will select this side, and I will make this one 4 inches. So there, I have the correct dimensions. Now I will finish my sketch, and you can see that I can use the navigation tool over here to drag it and place it on the screen where I would like. And once I have that done, I'm going to use the extrude button to extrude it, give it that third dimension. And we're going to make these, why don't we go 1/4 of an inch, and 1 to 5, and that'll give us the depth. So now I want to actually put the sides on there. So I could use the shell button if I made it larger, but we're gonna start with another two-dimensional sketch on this surface. And before I can use the offset button here, I need to use the project geometry button to basically tell the computer that I can see this side. And then use the offset button and click on it and drag it in. And I'm gonna make this again, sides are 1/4 of an inch, 1/4 inch wide. And there I have the profile that I'm going to extrude again. So finish your sketch now, and then I will once again extrude, and I will select the edge, and you can see how it's coming up in this direction, and I want to change the measurement to 3.5 inches. So 3.5, press enter. There you have the base or the basic shape of the jewelry box. Now, if you look at my final product, you can see the edges are, there you go, a little rounded. I smoothed them out with the sander. So in my drawing, I want to make sure I do the same. I'm going to use the fillet button, and I like this radius. But if you would like to make a larger or smaller radius, you just change the measurement here. And then I just go around the jewelry box and I select the sides that I will sand round. Okay, and then again use your navigation button to turn it around so you can see the back sides of this. Right click OK, and then I will select the remaining edges and then press apply. Bam! Look at that. Nice rounded edges. Looks kind of like the bottom of a jewelry box. If we look here, bam, looks like the bottom of that. Except we need to change the material. So how do you change the materials? We're going to tools, we're going to material, and we can go through here and look through all different materials. We're actually making this out of pine. So I'm going to search for pine. And you can see there's different types of pine, and I'm just going to select the basic pine here, and that's it. Oh, it did not stick. I wonder why. Go back. Let's try that again. Pine, Pine. Choose the pine. New material, pine there. I'm always having problems with this, but here we go. Pine editor.